Meaning of downstairs.
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 Downstairs. Downstairs refers to the lower level of a building or house in relation to the floor where the speaker is currently located. It is the opposite of upstairs. Downstairs areas typically include things like basements, cellars, attics, and first floors, and can be accessed by stairs, elevators, or other means. People may use the term downstairs to give directions or to refer to a specific location within a building. Overall, downstairs refers to the lower physical location relative to where the speaker is standing.